Alright, boys, so basically, we're just gonna try to get first place with only the pistol, and it's gonna be pretty hard, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, switch guns. Let's do this. Okay, get some grenades. Bro. Whew, okay, I need heal. Yes! What? Dude, I'm solo, I'm solo. Oh, I'm second place, I'm second place. No, no, get away, get away, get away. Oh my god, he was behind me. Oh shoot. Alright, I only need to get 2 kills. 2 streak. To get first place. Let's do this, do this. Alright, I can use grenades though. Grenades aren't... They're not really a gun. Yo, that grenade hit me. No! I got that guy low. Of course. Same guy. Alright, I need to get 4 kills, 4 kills, 4 kills. Of course. Dude, oh my god. Same guy, bro. Same guy. Somebody kill error. Alright, this one. He doesn't know where I'm at. No! There's like a million people in one area, dude. Alright. Probably didn't see that coming. Oh my god. Almost error. He's solo. If he wasn't low. That's two. Alright, I need heal. I swear, it's just the same guy. Same guy every time. Alright, I think he's down here. No. Oh my god, bro. Let's challenge his... Bro, somebody kill that guy. Guy in first place. He has 8 kills.
You know what my dream is?
That was the guy in first place. If I killed him. Oh my god, this challenge is so hard, dude. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. Bro, 10 kills. I don't know.
I'm having second thought.
Alright, dude, capper. No, he's behind me.
Hi, I'm Andrea, and I'm the creator and founder of Extend Bar. Because of my dance
Cool, I don't care.
Really.
It's the hero guy. No. Oh my god, dude, I got him so low.
Oh my god, I didn't think you literally meant right here.
Oh my god, finally some revenge. Oh shoot.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. That doesn't mean seriously.
Run, 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 run.
Where is he?
Oh my god.
Hold up.
Hero guy, again. Oh my god, this is my chance, this is my chance.
I need your flopper.
Bro, come on. Where's everybody?
This isn't yours either, right? Stop, you said you had a green thumb. You literally said.
Yes! I'm first on the leaderboard! Let's go!
All green.
Well, finally did it. It's a pretty hard challenge, but alright. That didn't really count because I got tied with another guy. So I need to try again and actually get first on the leaderboard. Bro, at least it wasn't hero kill.
I wasn't listening to you. Your mic turned off.
Alright. Yo, I'm first on the leaderboard. Let's go.
Do this while you're.
Well, guys, if you enjoy the video, then please like and subscribe. And yeah.